Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a rainstick. A rainstick is a type of musical instrument that when turned sounds like falling rain. So for this craft you're going to need one cardboard roll. This is from a roll of paper towels that we've already used up. You're going to need some tape. You're going to need some foil. You're going to need some type of quinoa or rice, whatever works for you, and anything you might want to decorate your rainstick with. It can be paint, it can be construction paper, whatever you'd like. So for this one, I'm going to wrap it in a yellow construction paper just to add a little bit more detail. So you're going to start off with your paper towel roll. I've already gone ahead and sealed off one of the ends. You're going to want to make sure that end is sealed off so that nothing falls out of your rainstick. So now that we've got that end sealed off, we're going to go ahead and take some of our foil and you want to make it into a size that's just smaller than your paper towel roll. So this size should be about good. We're going to go ahead and put this in there. There we go, we have it in there. The next step we're going to do is we are going to take our quinoa or rice, whatever you have available, and we are going to put it inside of the tube. All right, there we go. The next step we're going to do is we are going to seal off the top of the rainstick so that nothing comes out of this side either. All right. And so for my final step, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my cardboard around, or my construction paper around my rainstick to make it a little nicer looking. But like I said, you can paint it and make it just how you would like it. Just go ahead and seal that off with some tape. And then when you turn it, it sounds like falling rain. Have fun and stay safe.